We already knows about the beautiful rings of Saturn, a jewel of our solar system with a ring span of nearly 300,000 kilometers. But 434 light-years away lies a cosmic giant that makes Saturn look like a toy. This is J1407b, a super Saturn with a ring system so vast that makes us think, is it real? If this planet replaced our Saturn, its rings wouldn't just be visible, they would dominate our night sky, glowing 10 times larger than the full moon. With an equatorial diameter of approximately 120,536 kilometers, or 74,898 miles, Saturn is roughly 9.5 times wider than Earth, which has a diameter of about 12,756 kilometers, or 7,926 miles. J1407b has a ring system that is approximately 120 to 180 million kilometers in diameter. In comparison, that is 200 times larger than the rings of our Saturn. In 2007, astronomers noticed something. A distant star suddenly began to flicker. But for this star, the light didn't just dip, it vanished. It was evident that an object had passed in front of it, and the significant decrease in brightness indicated it was no ordinary planet. Instead of one solid disk, the material around J1407b is divided into 37 distinct bands. These rings are made of dust, rock, and ice. Scientifically, we call this a circumplanetary disk. In our own solar system, Saturn's rings are mostly pure water ice, but J1407b's rings are likely much dustier and heavier. The total mass of these 37 rings is roughly equal to the mass of the entire Earth. When you look at the ring system, you'll notice a massive empty space, a gap about 4 million kilometers wide. It's caused by a satellite, an exomoon. As it orbits the planet inside the rings, its gravity clears its path, either pulling the dust onto its surface or kicking it away. While the gaps in the ring system provide compelling gravitational evidence for the existence of these satellites, no individual moon has been directly imaged yet. This is because of the distance between Earth and this planet, which is 434 light-years. J1407b is a very young system, estimated to be approximately 16 million years old. For comparison, Earth is almost 4.54 billion years old. J1407b is a young planet in the early stages of its evolution, where the massive ring system serves as a protoplanetary disk. A protoplanetary disk is essentially a cosmic construction site. It is the flat, rotating disk of matter from which all planets and moons are born. In the J1407b system, we are witnessing this process in real time as the disk material clumps together to form a new generation of satellites. This is the same physical state our solar system occupied approximately 4.5 billion years ago. During that period, the Sun was surrounded by a rotating disk of dense matter that eventually condensed to form the planets. By studying J1407b, we are observing the mechanics of accretion, the process where gravity forces dust and gas to merge into solid bodies. In essence, the 37 rings are the raw materials for a future satellite system, providing a direct look at the early developmental stages of planetary formation. So, what is the final fate of J1407b? Currently, we are seeing this planet in its violent, beautiful youth. But this 180 million kilometer ring system is only temporary. Over the next several million years, the process of accretion will finish its work. The 37 rings will eventually be exhausted, their dust and ice gathered into a handful of massive, stable moons. In the distant future, an observer visiting this system wouldn't see these spectacular rings at all. Instead, they would find a giant planet orbited by a family of large moons, looking very much like a scaled-up version of our own Jupiter or Saturn.